Hello guys, welcome back to Programming Knowledge Hub. My name is Vishal. In this lecture, we will learn about the another important loop, that is do while loop in C#. The do while loop is same as the while loop except it executes a block of code at least once. The do while loop checks the condition at the end of the loop. Because of this, the loop will always be executed at least once even if the specified condition is false. Let's understand the syntax of the do while loop. The variable is initialized first before the loop. Then we write the do keyword, and inside the curly braces we write the code that is to be executed. Then increment the value of a variable by any number that you want, and at the end of the loop we write the while with the condition. So unlike the while loop where we write the condition at the start of the loop, here in the do while loop the condition is written at the end of the loop. Here is the example. We initialize the variable I to the value 0. Then inside the do loop we print the value of that I on the console using the console.writeLine. Then we increment the value of I by 1, and at the end of the loop we write the keyword while along with the condition stating execute this loop until the value of I is less than 5. Let's switch to Visual Studio. Here again I have created a simple console application. We will write the same program, that is to print the numbers from 1 to 10 using the do while loop. The first step is to initialize the variable. Let's create a variable I and initialize it to value 1. Then write the do keyword, press tab for code completion. Inside the do loop, let's print the value of I, that is console.writeLine I, and then increment the value of I by 1. And here in the while loop, let's give the condition that execute this loop until the value of I is less than equals 10. Let's save the program and run the program using Ctrl plus F5 and check the output. Great, it printed the numbers from 1 to 10 on the console. Now here you need to take care of one thing. Do not forget to increment the value of this variable, and if you forget to increment the value of this variable, the loop will run infinitely. Let me show you that. So let me comment this code and let's run the program again. So here as you can see, the loop is running infinitely. It's printing the value of 1 on the console because the loop does not know when to stop, as we have commented the code where it increments the value of I by 1. So always remember to increment the value of the variable. Thank you for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and share it with your friends. Also, if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload new video.